It's my first time in Kyoto, and I really enjoyed this wonderful day in this fine location in the hills over Kyoto with this wonderful bike from the Suzuki Katana. A great flashback in the 80s, and I really enjoyed the engine and the handling, and even the tires were famous, so we have a wonderful time. It's a fine mixture between modern and authentic 80 years styling, so you have maybe create a new trend in motorcycle design. I'm not sure, but I hope it.
The location is just awesome. This is typically Japanese road with a lot of curves, very good grip. I was quite amazed considering the weather, that how grippy the road was. Very challenging roads also, different kinds of corners, from hairpin to very fast ones, and very nice landscape also. So yeah, it was a great day riding with the bike. And the design of the bikes, this is something very interesting, and I think this carry on the true spirit of the whole one, with very sharp lines, very different from every other existing model. I like also the short tail. Yeah, it's a very good looking bike. I like it.
Yes, my feeling in Kyoto City was awesome. I mean, former capital of Japan has a really high history and culture, and so to be inside one of the most important cities in the world was really magnificent. And talking about the Arashiyama Takao Parkway, was when the sun came out, the asphalt becomes drier, and we could enjoy driving the bikes. So it was a real pleasure.
The bike is very interesting because it's not only a design, it's a really good bike to ride. Engine is very smooth, 4-cylinder is very cool because you don't have to change gear every time. And I found it very interesting today to put this kind of design. It's very different for other classic bike, and I think it's courageous and it's good for Suzuki to do this.
It's beautiful. It's cold, but it's crisp, fresh, and beautiful. The design, I really like the design. I love it. I loved it from the moment it was unveiled. I love that it harks back to that original one, and yeah, the colour's perfect. I love it. It's not overdone. It's not overdone. It's subtle. I really like it.
It's a wonderful city of all sorts of mysterious surprises, which we're not done with yet. It's great. It's wonderful. The bike is it's one of the easiest bikes to evaluate ever because just everything works right. There's nothing puzzling. I don't have to go for a ride and wonder, well, what's this doing? No, it's just doing everything right.
This location, up winding through the mountains in the forest, reminds me of things I've seen on TV where you have the drift cars going sideways up the hill, and it's very Japanese, and it's somewhere I've always wanted to come, and to be here on closed roads is a real treat. Well, I love the styling. I've been racing a Katana for the last few years, so I've really started to fall in love with the old Katana, and it's nice to see what Suzuki have done with the new one. The styling is really nice. It rides really well. Everything about it is very impressive. We've had a lot of fun on the mountain roads, but overall very good.